Bang. What's up, YouTube? Medic is back here. Hey guys, another POV today. Rocking the Prius. The Gen 2 Prius is a 08 touring model. And yeah, let's just hop inside. Kind of hot outside. But yeah, let's get straight into the video, guys. Thank you for joining. We're just gonna go on a little cruise, talk about some things. But yeah, the ultimate daily driver with some weird quirks and features. My gas gauge doesn't work. I gotta go. Yeah, my gas gauge doesn't work, so I'm using my trip to monitor how far I go. But yeah, this thing's pretty quick. I'm gonna give it a nice little floor. Foot all the way down. You can hear that. I don't know what displacement the engine is, but it's pretty small. But yeah, we got to like 70 right there. So, but yeah, my gas gauge doesn't really work that well. And the thing is, I've been using the trip monitor to you know, like gauge how much gas I have. So I'm like, I'd probably say, like, if it was working, I'm probably like a little above half, because I usually don't fill up till I hit like 300. And this car supposedly holds 11 gallons of gas, and I'm getting, let's see, 46.3 miles per gallon, which is phenomenal, considering, you know, like the gas prices and stuff. When I go fill this thing up, it's like 20 bucks, and that for like a full tank basically, and that's awesome. Can't complain about that. The only thing is, it's not a supercar. I believe the closest thing to it would be like an NSX, some type of hybrid supercar that would get you, like, you know, good gas mileage and the speed. I don't think we're gonna make this light, are we? Yeah, no way, Jose. Maybe. Oh, let's get it. Oh snap, we actually made it. Sweet. Barely. But yeah, guys, it handles pretty good too. It's a front wheel drive car. I definitely need to replace the struts. It's got 100, let's see how many miles this thing has. 172,554. And it's absolutely, it runs so good. I'd take this on a road trip any day. It's that, I find it that reliable, which is like super good for any car where you can just get in and go, even with the high mileage. But I'm on these like Prius forums, and they, like, people be running it up. I'd be seeing like 400,000, 500,000 miles, same motor, same transmission. They just keep up with the maintenance, and the maintenance isn't really too bad at all. I just, like I said in previous videos, I did like the PCV valve, changed all the spark plugs. That was a huge help, and that helps with like the fuel economy, stuff like that. Added some coolant. Make sure your car has coolant for any car, but specifically this one. Let's see, let's go right here. Yeah, specifically this car, you definitely need to make sure you got all your fluids good. Look at that E90. TVT, boys. I think that was a 330. Yeah, TVT to having the E90. If you check my channel, I actually was owning a 328 Xi. I'm definitely gonna do a video on ownership of that pretty soon. But this car, AC works really good. The sound system on this car is really good, or pretty good. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's like definitely not bad Not a lot of aftermarket options for the sound system, unfortunately. But yeah, we'll take this nice little road. But yeah, no, this car has been such a pleasure to drive. I actually do like Uber Eats and DoorDash in this thing. I do all like the gig stuff, and it's actually kind of profitable once you you know, have like a fuel efficient car. Because right now I'm not using gas. I took my foot off the accelerator, and it's just, you know, running on the electric motor. So that's super useful, especially if you're in the city or in traffic. This car excels in that type of situation, just because it's gonna just run off the electric motor. Engine's not gonna be burning fuel. And this car is super comfortable too. This is a touring model, so I believe it had an upgraded suspension, more comfortable suspension. And once I replace that, I feel like this car will feel like new again. I have to do the front and the rear at some point, but I plan on keeping this car around for until it dies, basically. This thing is that good. And if you're in the market for one of these, definitely I definitely recommend picking one up, especially if it's not going to be your daily driver. Just have it as a sidecar. This thing is mad reliable. But yeah, other than that, some modifications I would do. Headlights, I'd change the bulbs, make it brighter. I believe these have the HID headlight setup on the touring model, so they use like a better bulb, and that's, you know, like that helps with like the night vision, stuff like that. The other thing I gotta look at is the TPMS. They're not working, unfortunately. I don't really care too much, just because I have a like new set of tires on these, so like not really too worried. But yeah, for some reason the TPMS doesn't work. I don't know why. I think it just went bad. Gotta replace that at some point. But other than that, no check engine light, nothing crazy. Even with a check engine light, I still see people on the Prius forum still driving them, and it's like fine. It's so weird. But I'm pretty OCD about that stuff. I like my car running good. But yeah, uphills, this thing does not like uphills. Kind of kills the gas mileage. You can see right there. And like, if I go slower, it'll go higher. But yeah, this thing is basically just like an A to B chill car. Super incognito as well. But yeah, guys, look at the trees and stuff. They look wild looking. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, thank you for joining in. Right now I'm posting just a lot of car content, stuff I like to do. But comment down below what you guys want to see, and I'll get that to you. But yeah, this thing's been just such a good car. A lot of plastic, but you know, what can you say? The drivetrain is absolutely phenomenal. Shout out Toyota engineers, whoever engineered this car, shout out to them. They nailed the second generation Prius. And yeah, the only other things I want to say before I end the video, make sure you get your catalytic converter sorted out. There's a lot of like people like cutting them. I have an aftermarket one with a O2 spacer on, just because mine got taken, unfortunately. But once you figure that out, this car is super solid. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. Catch you on the next one. Mercus out. Peace.